Welcome back. Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. We are on Savali. Just got us an orb. And I guess the orbs don't count as collectibles, or do they? Let's see. Yeah, they did. Don't they? Yeah, they do. But, it doesn't show up here on the little map markers down there on the right. I don't see an orb there. And what's the symbol look like? It kind of looks like the armor symbol. Anyway, so there's 3 gold bolts, 6 armor, and 1 robot here somewhere. Alright, so we have to go do this. Last I heard, it's like a race. So I guess we're going this way. I have no idea.
Go! Follow the path as fast as you can.
Oh man, I gotta steer? Ah, jeez.
Ratchet, hurry!
They didn't tell me I had to steer. I knew this was gonna be a bad thing.
Go! Follow the path as fast as you can.
Come on, just go straight.
Ratchet, hurry! We are running out of time.
I can't go straight. What's the deal?
Oh no!
Man, as soon as I made a little turn, it wouldn't do anything. Alright.
Go! Follow the path as fast as you can.
Look at that.
Ratchet, hurry! We are running out of time. Ah! We made it! The next shrine is just ahead.
Okay, so I'm not really sure how to steer this thing. What's this here? Anything here I need to know about? Don't look like it. Yeah, they didn't give me much practice with this before we had to do this. Wait a minute. What the hell? I'm blocked. How does that work?
The track is about to collapse.
Oh, what the hell kind of a glitch is that?
Oh no!
What the hell? I got blocked. Oh, I gotta start over? Ah, jeez.
Go! Follow the path as fast as you can. We made it! The next shrine is just ahead.
So how do I get over the tree stump? How do I get over the tree stump?
The track is about to collapse. Oh no!
How do you get over the tree stump? I don't know how to get over the tree stump. And I hate to have to go all the way back here again.
Go! Follow the path as fast as you can.
Okay, we can do this.
We made it!
All
The
right.
next shrine is just ahead.
There we go, I can jump apparently.
The track is about to collapse.
Okay, what's the next one gonna be? Uh-oh. Alright, dude.
Alright, let's keep going.
Good idea.
Alright, so I'm all out of grenades. Let's see if we can get any over here. Got some. Alright. Alright, let's see what happens this time. Oh, Jesus.
I can make it.
Oh no!
Oh, come on. Start over again? Oh, no, I don't have to this time. Thank you. Oh, and I can go over here again. Don't fall off. Alright, here we go. What happened?
I can make it.
Oh no!
We have to do the wall here, right? The climbing wall.
I can make it.
Hit this wall.
Oh no!
Ah, Jesus. Really? I gotta wait for the floor to come in, I guess. Alright. What the hell? Oh, so there's holes in the floor too?
I can make it.
Oh no!
Okay, they didn't tell me there was holes in the floor. Just keep going.
I can make it.
Oh no!
Jesus. It's like a racetrack. Alright, where are we going to now? Really? I'm supposed to hit that. I'm supposed to hit that, right? Sure.
We completed the trials. Thank you.
I couldn't have done it without you. Now, let's try to help them.
I'm happy. Find the monks at the mountain temple. Okay, I guess we gotta go this way. Those are the monks?
Sniper bots.
Nope.
You can use the fog to your advantage here.
Use the what? Use the what? I think for these guys I need the enforcer. Let's see. I don't know what I have over there. What's on this side? I got nothing there. I got this. I got this. Oh, that's the mushroom. Okay, we don't want the mushroom. Let's put the enforcer over there. You can use the fog. That's what he said. You can use the fog to your advantage.
I see them. The monks. They are being held prisoner.
They're safe behind that fourth.
Hold on a second. I want... Oh no, I want this. The collider. That's what I want.
Now, I need to worry about everyone shooting at us first.
I see the target!
That's right, we did it! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Please, take me to that terminal so I can free the others.
Enforcer ammo. Okay. Anything else up here that I want? Oh yeah, we got some raritarium up here somewhere. Where is it? Up here? Nope, not there. There it is. Don't fall off the edge. Don't fall off the edge. Okay, where's the other one at? It said it's behind me. Did I miss it somewhere? I don't see it. This way? Bright lights, bright lights. There it is. Man, right on the edge. You know what? I keep forgetting. I can shoot that stuff too. That would probably be the best I can do. Alright, we gotta go this way. Let's switch weapons again. So we have the raritarium that we needed up here. That's it for now. Okay, we're good. We gotta go up here. I guess so. Ooh, there's lots of nuts and bolts down here left from those guys, isn't there? Okay, let's grab that. That looks ominous over there. What the hell? It must be that temple. Alright, let's go this way. Oh, there's all...
no. A Zeta virus. I cannot access the terminal without risking contracting it.
My little friend Glitch can take a look at it. Here, let me see.
Oh, we could use glitch. Cool. Hover boot. Oh no. Glitch. Now we gotta use glitch again, eh?
Those poor monks. Okay, I just need to delete the pods, which will clear out the infection and free those boys for Ratchet.
And where are the pods?
That is no problem. Because you know what you've got, Glitch? This. You got this.
Jesus. Oh, I gotta go this way. Shit makes you dizzy, man. Where are the pods? Is that a pod?
I don't get it. These aren't like any viruses I've ever heard of. It can shoot now, too. Hold on. That pod hijacked the computer to make a shield for itself.
Okay. Okay. I don't know what to do. They all have shields.
Viruses are done for.
Yeah, this is...
I'm wide open out here. Gotta keep moving. Hang in there, little monks. Or big monks, sorry.
Uh-oh.
What am I doing? They can't hear me.
But I can't kill the... I have to get the shields down. How do I do that? How do I get the shields down?
This is going well.
It's not going that well. They keep coming back. Ooh, there's one. Ow. Am I dead? I don't know how to get...
Little bugs. Or big bugs. Sorry.
I don't know how to get the shields down. Ow. This is not good.
Viruses are done for.
Yeah, I'm not making any headway here though. I have to get the shields down somehow. And I can't run. Let's go this way, I guess. There we go. What's this? Recharge? I don't know. Ow.
Guns aren't working on that nest. I gotta try something else.
Where's my health? My health is in bad shape. I gotta find some health. Can I go... What's this way? Anything? Can't get that guy. I gotta go this way somewhere, I guess.
Yikes! I'm wide open out here. Gotta keep moving.
Let me see. Where are the other blobs at? I can't go down. That's death. I'm missing something. I don't know what I'm missing. Can I drop off of this ledge? Maybe. No, it won't let me drop off the ledge. I'm stuck in here. Nope.
Delete, delete,
So, not sure what I'm supposed to do. I'm kind of stuck here. I can't find the path. Is that the path up there? I can't come down from here. Go this way? No, there's nowhere to go. Oh, maybe this way. Oh, here we go. Maybe. Is that health over there? I don't know what that is. I'll have to walk on the walls. I don't have a lot of health left. I see. Maybe that's how I got turned off the shields. I need health. Where are the little health bubbles at? I got 3 more of these things. Higher ground. Oh wait, here we go. Turn it off here, right?
I rerouted the energy away from that stupid virus. No more shield. Hold on. That pod hijacked the computer to make a shield for itself.
Okay, so I'm kind of getting the hang of it here, but I need some more health. Where's the health pods at? That looks deadly there. Can't go anywhere this way. I only have 2 left. Where are they? There's one way over there. Can I get that from here? No, that's not one, is it? No. I guess I gotta go over there, though. I don't have a map, do I? Nah, I got no map. Darn it. So I gotta figure out. That was the... Let's see. Well, I guess we'll go this way. This looks kind of deadly here, but... guessing it's not too bad because I can't fall off, I don't think. Now this was a dead end. This is a dead end. Okay, can't do nothing here. Alright, we gotta go back. This way. What was this way? Oh, there's one.
This is going well.
And I got no health. I gotta find some health somewhere. If I die, like right at the end of that, right before the end of this, I'm gonna be ticked. Alright, where's the other one at? We got one more to go here. He is this way. He's up there somewhere. some health somewhere. Gotta be some somewhere. I gotta go. I have to get up there somehow. So how do I do that? I can't do it from here. It doesn't look like I can go through that thing there. The last guy, he's up there. He's over there. I gotta go through this tunnel somehow. Huh? Looks like it right here, maybe. God, this is crazy. Am I going in the right direction? Yeah, he's over here. Oh, where's his pod at? Oh, it's up above him. That's a lot of work.
After all, I am good at this.
That was a lot of work.
Brothers, I am relieved you are all right.
It is like so wonderful to see you, Sister KT-7461.
Did Nefarious' troops find the other temples yet?
Not sure. But we'll let Brother Gary know you rescued us.
Brother Gary.
Good luck, sister. And Lombax.
Okay, that's one down, I guess.
One temple down, 2 to go.
I know the
Okay.
monks are trying to stay strong, but they are unfamiliar with the cruelty of the Emperor.
They'll be all right. We're here.
Okay, we gotta go that way. Alright, well,
So, KT-7461?
okay, they're
Do you
gonna
have a
talk some more.
nickname?
The monks call me sister.
That feels more like a title. Let's try some out. How about KT? I got it. Sunshine. Your nickname. 'Cause you're yellow?
I do not think so.
Kit? We'll keep working on it.
Alright, they're gonna shut up now, so we're gonna call a video.
So
Right
how
here.
did you get to be Gary's apprentice?
It is
We're trying.
a long story. I am lucky that Gary saw potential in me.
Ah,
You
jeez.
seem different from the other monks around here.
I know. I am smaller.
Don't feel bad. I'm usually the shortest person in the room except for Clank. For my best friend.
Okay, we're calling it right now. If you're watching, thanks for watching. See ya.